Good evening, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. It's nice to see all of you in class today. I am back home in my apartment because I was not able to film this video in my office before I left. So here we are. This coming week, we will be talking about collaboration. Now, there is sometimes some confusion around the words collaboration, cooperation, coordination, and working together. Ultimately, collaboration in some form is about working together, but it does not always mean that there is cooperation or coordination. However, the term working together is really what collaboration is all about, because you will need to work together in order to collaborate. Sometimes collaboration involves two or more groups that do not usually work together. Sometimes they have different views, sometimes they have viewpoints that are not the same, and sometimes there can be some contentious situations where they will have to navigate those disagreements with each other. But that doesn't mean that they aren't collaborating. It just means that they will be facing some conflict and potentially some arguments as they navigate the negotiation process so that they can collaborate better. There are many examples of people that are collaborating together. If you think about it, sometimes people from two different political parties have to collaborate together in order to support their citizens. Sometimes two companies will work together to support their customers. Take, for example, like Kindle and Apple. Those are two separate companies, and they work together so that the Kindle app can be available for both on the iPhone and on the iPad and in other Apple products. So that's a version of how those two companies collaborated together to help their customers be able to access the information that they need. Now, in order to collaborate, sometimes it does require negotiating things to help people come together. It is important to note that collaboration doesn't always mean agreement. Sometimes you can have a disagreement and a high level of respect, but you may not agree on what the final outcome is, but you know you ultimately have to work towards that outcome. It is okay if you disagree when you're trying to collaborate, because that means that each person or each group is bringing something unique to the situation. And that's where you develop certain skills in order to better collaborate with each other. These are some of the skills that we think are important for yourselves as you start the projects you'll be working on this semester, and then even beyond this semester, that you should try and cultivate again to have so you can truly collaborate. You want to have mindsets, goals, clearly defined roles. You want to make sure you're networking, and you want to make sure that you are communicating. All right? So these are just a couple of things that we'll be talking about this coming week as we explore collaboration. I just wanted to share with you another tidbit. This past weekend, I went hiking and hiked a place called Flatiron. It was a very beautiful hike, and I would encourage you all to look it up so you can see what it is. All right, folks, well, I will see you next week. Just a reminder of what's due this coming week. You'll be completing homework assignment 5 on empathy. You'll watch this video and then take the short quiz. All right, I'll see you soon. Take care.